Water filtration enjoys a fairly high use rate within U.S. homes, but there are hidden perils. I'm Mark, the Senior Forensic Engineer at Nederveld, and today we're going to be looking at water filtration. Water filters can be part of an appliance like a dishwasher, a washing machine, or a refrigerator. They can also be used for pools and RVs or a whole house system. Water filters are used in a multitude of appliances and applications to remove impurities and contaminants normally found in water. Water filters remove impurities and contaminants from the water with use of physical barriers, chemical processes, or biological methods, often with the purpose of creating safer drinking water. Water filters are commonly encountered at the main water supply inlet to a residence or as they're built into an appliance, such as a refrigerator with a drinking water supply. It is important to follow the manufacturer's specifications and installation instructions when installing a water filter. Since many of these are DIY or by a handyman, the incidence of connection failures is higher than some other typical systems. Connections, supports, and clearances, as well as pressures, are all important background information to get. As with all matters involving products, documentation of part numbers, manufacturers, date of installation should be recorded. The general condition of the water filter and the canister should also be well documented with photographs prior to the removal for collection into evidence. Installation-related issues are the most common failure mode that we see. For example, a water filter that is not properly reinstalled, is not properly aligned in the bonnet or the sump, missing a gasket, or even cross-threaded are things that we commonly see that result in failure and a water leak. Push-to-connect fittings, like we see under a sink, that are not properly connected or the tube is not properly cut, is a common failure mode for RO-type systems. Abuse or external forces, such as water filter within a refrigerator that is dislodged by an object or that's forced into a refrigerator by a user, impacted canisters or connection lines, and sumps that are over-tightened are all things that we see on a regular basis. Manufacturing material issues are most commonly involved when we see multi-level marketing filter assemblies made by contractors working for home. They may use means and methods that are subject to degradation or improper for use as a water filtration system. In some cases, the concentration of contaminants in the filter itself or as sprayed onto the outside of a sump can cause degradation of the polymer components. Age, wear, and maintenance are always an issue we evaluate with a water filter, as the elements are required to be changed periodically. If the part arrives undocumented or after significant mishandling, we may have insufficient information to determine the cause of failure. So remember, proper documentation and collection of evidence is important. Feel free to check out our other videos in our collection to learn more.